Hello friends, I'm Aparna Ganguly and today I am going to teach you about blogger.com, which is basically used for creating a blog or a web address space for yourself where you can write about things that you are concerned about or you are bothered about or anything that you want to write. And why should you maintain a diary like this, a digital diary like this? This is something which I am going to share, especially for the Sahaj Yogis, my brothers and sisters. I'm going to share a screen where we will know why exactly should we be maintaining a diary. So this is something which Shrimata ji has said. One minute. Yeah. So Shrimata ji has said in a seminar in Old Alresford, England in 17th May 1980, you can see. She said something like, I think this is a very, very practical side of human beings that one should have a diary. Now let's see. She has also elaborated more on this. What's it all about? Let's see here. These are according to Shrimataji. They are Shrimataji's words. I have been saying that all Sahaj Yogis must start writing their diaries. One with every day's experiences. If you know that you have to write a diary, you will keep your mind alert. You know, where is your attention? And another one, wherever you get any special idea of the past or of the future, also you jot it down, so that like that you should have two diaries. For your constant attention, you have to fix up your diary on certain pegs. The first one, as I said, that if you keep a diary, then you will know that you have to remember what important things have happened. So your attention will be alert and you will be looking out for such points where what is to be done, the things that you have to do. And you'll be amazed if you make your attention alert, what new things come to you, very brilliant ideas. And the miracles of life and the miracles of God's beauty and His auspiciousness and His greatness, His kindness, His blessings, जो सहजियों के जिंदगी में भर भर के है, how they work out if you start writing every day, even 2 lines about it. It will make your mind constantly involved in it. Involved. That's a human style of doing things. Also, you can mention in the diary what happened. Could you do your meditation? Did you get your time for meditation or not? A little bit as you are appearing for some sort of an examination or something, you prepare a little note, say, did I get up in the morning? Did I? Then any special path or any special movement in the center or left or right also should be mentioned so that you can keep a watch on your mind, on your subtle body status also. It's a very good thing to maintain a diary. Also, you will see progressively how your ideas are changing, how your priorities are settling down, how you give more importance to real things and very little to unreal things. I think this is a very, very practical side of human beings that one should have a diary. The same diaries after some times will become historical things and people would like to see what you all have written, not to be hypocritical about it or deceptive about it, but quite truthful and understanding. You should jot down few lines just before sleeping. So this is something which Shrimata ji has already said to us. So I'm going to teach about digital diaries because nowadays we also know that we should save paper. Okay, keeping that on mind, and also so that you can share your divine experiences with everyone. You have WhatsApp, you have people, like-minded people attached to you, associated with you, so you can always share the good things that happen to you after coming to Sahaj Yoga, your experiences. What do you need? You need a Gmail account. Then you visit blogger.com. It's free of course, by the way. You can maintain a digital diary free. You don't have to pay for the web space. Okay, name the URL effectively. URL is basically a uniform resource locator, the colloquially termed as web address. What you see, you know, when you go somewhere www.something.com, then for example sahajyoga.org.com, you come to the Sahaj Yoga website address. Similarly, if I'm just giving you an example, suppose your name is Amit Tiwari, name the web address as amit-tiwari-sahaj-yogi. So it will become namittiwari-sahajyogi.blogspot.com. Try mentioning Sahaj Yoga in the URL so that it is easier to search plus a good way to spread Sahaj Yoga. So this way you can do or maintain a digital diary. Now I'm going to share one more screen where I will show how I have maintained couple of diaries of different things, but all related to Sahaj Yoga, which is something we all love to do. So let me show you this. See, this is if you see this is sahajamrit.blogspot.com. So here I have written all Hindi, all the, not all, many important things that we come across about Shrimata Ji's lecture. Suppose she has said about Nabi Chakra. She has made many lectures on Nabi. So, you can collect it at one place and then you can share it here. Anything that you want to have. नकारात्मक विचारों को मत पाले. ये एक हिंदी का मैं करती हूँ, इसका नाम मैंने रखा है sahajamrit.blogspot. Now because I'm a Bengali, I also maintain a Bengali blogspot. And mind you, I can do it all with the same one Gmail. You can have multiple diaries, like you can maintain more than 2, 3, 4, 5 also. So for example, under the same Gmail, I have also maintained a Bengali blogspot where I write all about Bengali Ganesh Sattva, what I will be said in Bengali. So that is helpful for my Bengali people. 21 steps. So ये Bengali में भी लिखा है. So this way, the various chakras, what Shrimata Ji has said, but we have translated to Bengali. Also, there was a movie on Sahaj Yoga made, which is Lakshmi, not The Awakening. So even this I have maintained where all we had our shows, what people have reacted, how people have arranged, how Sahaj Yogis went all out to conduct the Sahaj Yoga, give the Sahaj Yoga experience to the audience, how we all did it in so many places, how the spreading of Sahaj Yoga was done through this movie. So for example, see, we have all recorded it here. See, there are so many people who are getting the realization in theaters and movie halls upon watching Sahaj Yoga. So like the movie on Sahaj Yoga. So this way, you must have done so many, conducted so many programs in your own city. You have, decorated the background. You have done alpana. So many things to share. Your collectivity. How is collectivity helpful? Teamwork. All that is so important. So that you can all put it around here, and you must be having pictures. You can still start it. No more. It doesn't matter if it was done long time ago. So you can still start it. So this way we can show. So how are we going to do it? This is how blogger.com, as I said, blogger.com to blogger.com, and you have to register with your Gmail. And now see, I have got more than one. I showed you English, I've got Bengali, I've got Hindi, and it's very easy to make a blog. See, there's a new blog option here. You can just click here and you will choose, as I said, Amit Tiwari and all. So it's as and when you go, you will be getting it. Let's say, let's make it test Sahaj. Okay, and then let's say next. It's very user friendly. So what address do you want? So you just say test address. Let's just try it out. And they will say if it's not available, they will tell you have to change the name. You can always write something more, Sahaj, and then is available. The blog address is available. So now it's saying the blog will appear as blogspot.com. Then you save it. Once you save it, a new URL will be created for you. Once this is created, see, a new thing has opened. This is how the background looks like. See, test Sahaj. How then you start making posts. How will you make a post like this? Like here, I will show you somewhere like, let's say Sahaj Amrit Mein, I show you. You click on new post and you write something here. Like you write the title here and then you write the matter here. Let's say I will write something. This is a test. This is a test. And then I will write, this is a test for maintaining digital diaries. You can, again, as I have told you before, you can make it heading. You can change the font. Here is the font. You can make it medium large. You can change the font type. There are so many of them. You can change the, yeah, you can change the font type. You can change the font color. Okay. Then you can also upload. You can insert a video. If you have a video, you can upload from the computer also, or you can, if you put a YouTube, then you, all you have to do is you have to give the URL of the YouTube here. Just give the URL. You write the URL of the YouTube, you search, you'll find it. This way you can put the URL, or you can also, if you have it in your computer, you can just upload it here. If you want to insert a picture, you can click on picture. You can upload from the device like this. For example, let me choose, there's a choose. You can choose your picture. Let's say I will choose from any one of my present. Let's say I choose this. So the picture of Shri Mataji will come. I will select it like this. Picture will be uploaded. It is uploaded, and I'll just select it like this. It becomes blue, and I select. So when I select, what happens is the picture comes like this. If you want to make it small or big also, you can do it here. You can come to edit and you can do things like here. You can make it go to the side, left side, or you can make it go to the center, like this you can do. So this has happened, and then there are something called labels. You can say, you suppose you want to say, I am writing about Shri Mataji. So you can do, like, you can write something like here about, like, there are so many, you can see there are so many of them I have made, Karm Kand, Ishwar Seka Karita and all. You can add here. So label wise it can get saved. Okay. And then you publish and you confirm. So let's see if in the, I have done it in the Hindi one. So let's see in the Hindi one it's come or not. So you just do a refresh. And let's see, yes, this is a test. This is a test for maintaining digital diary, and this has come. Shri Mataji's picture has come. This way you can maintain your diary. You can write anything that you want, and then the labels are here. If you want easily, if you want to say ki Nabi Chakra, what all you know about Nabi Chakra, you just click here, all the things about Nabi Chakra will come. And suppose you recommend your friend, and since you will be taking classes, every one of you, each one of us, Yogi, will have to take classes. We have to be responsible to spread the word of Shri Mataji around. So there will be a unique way, your own way of spreading it. You know, every one of us, as Shri Mataji has said, you are your own guru. Also, we are gurus for others, till they become their own gurus. Okay, in a sense, guru, in a sense, we will teach them about Sahaj Yoga and how, with the practice of Sahaj Yoga, you can awaken your Kundalini Shaktis. So this way, my friends, I have had promised before that I will be telling you about how to maintain diaries. I hope this video is helpful. If you need any help, you can always email me or write in my timeline. I can make your digital diary also for you. You can later change the password of your Gmail, no problem with that. But if you want any help, I will help you with creating your diaries. But it's a must, it's something which Mataji has said, is something which is a responsibility also. Please start maintaining diaries, and I will expect your addresses and your digital diaries in this timeline. Thank you very much for listening. Jai Shri Mataji.